Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Markets have been consolidating for the last 2 months or so, but Nifty is still only around 2 to 3% below the all-time high. The mid-cap and small-cap indices went up a lot in the last 2 to 3 months and are almost at their lifetime highs. Since the markets are at a high level, the portfolio value of large individual investors has gone up significantly in the last 6 months. Only holdings above 1% in a company needs to be publicly disclosed, and hence only such information is available for people to observe. Although we may not reach the level of such large investors, we will get motivation to do as well as possible in our lives when we see the growth in their portfolio and which is their top holdings. India's richest investors, I am sharing some interesting statistics. Radhakishan Damani, his portfolio value as on 31st March 2023 was 1,54,000 crores. Now, as on 30th September 2023, it's 1.67 lakh crores. Jhunjhunwala family, 32,296 crores approximate value as on 31st March 2023, and now 30th September 2023 around 44,000 crores. Hemendra Kotari, 7,978 crores and now 8,698 crores. Akash Bansali, 31st March 3,616 crores, now it is 4,274 crores. Mukul Agrawal, 2,638 crores to 3,832 crores. Ashish Dhawan, 2,313 crores to 3,414 crores. Continuing the list of richest investors, Nemish Shah, 2,323 crores and now 3,128 crores. Anil Kumar Goel, 1,660 crores and now 2,193 crores. Ashish Kacholia, 1,390 crores has now become 2,089 crores. Yusuf Ali Abdul Qadar, 1,239 crores and in September 2023, 1,515 crores. Anuj Sheth, 1,139 crores and 1,496 crores. Tejas Trivedi, 1,132 crores and 1,439 crores. Now, in this list, I have also given the top holdings of the particular individual investor and what is the percentage growth in their portfolio from April to September 2023. Radhakishan Damani, his top holdings is in Avenue Supermart, 9% growth from April to September 2023. Jhunjhunwala family, Titan is a top holding and 37 growth in the portfolio April to September 2023. Hemendra Kotari, Alkyl Amines and 9% growth. Akash Bansali, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, 18% growth. Mukul Agrawal, BSC is the top holding, 45% growth in the portfolio in just 6 months. Ashish Dhawan, IDFC and 50% growth. Nemish Shah, Lakshmi Machine Works is the top holding, 35% growth in the portfolio. Anil Kumar Goel, KRBL and 32%. Ashish Kacholia, Safari Industries, 50% growth. Yusuf Ali Abdul Qadar, Federal Bank, 22% growth. Anuj Sheth, Phenolics Industries, 31% growth. Tejas Trivedi, AstraZeneca Pharma and 27% growth in the portfolio in just 6 months between April to September 2023. Most of the portfolios have appreciated by around 15 to 20% at least in the last 6 months. In fact, some of them are even 30, 40, 50%. This is a great return for a period which is only 6 months. To be successful in stock markets, it is not enough if we have the knowledge. We also need to have motivation so that we can continue to invest and also have the patience to hold for long term. Even large investors go through dull phases and situations in which their portfolio value would have fallen temporarily. So it is not only small investors which face the up and down. All investors have to face up and down in their investing journeys, and the people who can best control their emotions during this roller coaster ride will emerge successful. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section what is the realistic expectation of your portfolio value at age 60. What could be the value as per your investments and as per your expected growth? Type in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.